All right, today we're looking at a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. This comes with a brand new rear entry wheelchair conversion. Gonna kind of walk you around the van and show you how everything works on it. This is a long cut conversion, so it's actually got two wheelchair positions, one up there and then one back here as well. The second row seats flip up and out of the way, so if you got a wheelchair up there, you can flip them up. Otherwise, if you need the extra seats, you can flip them down and place the wheelchair back here. It is a manual conversion. It's just a spring-loaded ramp, super easy to use. Just lift up on the handle here. It's like picking up a gallon of milk. Pretty easy to do. Just got a latch on each side. The nice thing about these latches is a lot of times wheelchair vans will rattle over time. The seals get worn out and stuff. If this ramp ever gets rattled or starts to rattle, you can just back off this nut, tighten up these jam nuts here. And that'll take your rattle away, but it's good and solid now. It's got a power hatch here. Push the button there. This van also has remote start, power doors, power hatch, power locks. It is a proximity key fob, so you can actually just push any of these buttons here. That'll unlock the doors and open it if it's a side door, or unlock it and lock it if it's the front door. We'll keep going around the outside here. We can show you everything on the van. It's a 2024 with 9,000 miles on it, so it's basically a brand new van. It's in excellent condition, inside and out. So to flip these second row seats down, you just look in here, there's actually a lever right here. Pull that lever, you flip it down, and then you pull on this, flip it up, and it will still recline. You got armrests on both sides, which is nice. Tires are basically brand new, only 9,000 miles on it. It's got the rear parking sensors, backup camera. Let's get inside and check out some of the features in here. Got a driver's power seat. Rear windows roll down as well. Got automatic headlights. This has the nice big screen in it. I think this is the biggest one that they make. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, everything is on there. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that hooks right up to there. You got adaptive cruise, Bluetooth over there, your phone. It's got the radio controls actually on the back of the steering wheel there. That's volume on that side, and then on the other side is seek. They're on the back of the steering wheel, so your index finger can easily reach them. Nice big backup camera. You got your power hatch and power doors up there as well. All your plugins, extra storage. My plug-in down there. Nice thing about this ramp is it just goes up to the bottom of the window, so you can still see out the back window. It has your parking sensors there. You also have lane departure, flashers. If there's anything else that you guys want to see in this van, just reach out to me. You can call me or text me at 507-990-6981, or you can get a hold of Leon at 507-990-6979, or Isaac at 507-696-5217. We got a lot of these rear entries. We always got more coming in, always building more. Also got side entries too. This isn't the van for you. Just let us know what you're looking for, and we'd be happy to help you find it. Do free nationwide delivery anywhere in the country. We'll deliver it to your door. And thanks for watching.